where you live.
All right, well, I showed you this map just a while ago. We're looking at the typical last freeze date in our area. Normally, our last 32-degree morning in Lafayette is April 23rd. It's the 23rd at Attica. It's a little later at Logansport in Peru, as well as Rochester and Remington. Looking at new model data and the analog trends for similar years, it does appear that we're likely going to get into the 20s come Saturday morning. We'll probably have another little cold snap where you get some frost and the last freeze near April 23rd, and then very up and down in early May after a lot of warmth in mid to part of late April where we could get well into the 80s. I think we could have a night or two where we do get a little patchy frost in early May. So that's some planning ahead if you're looking to get plants in the ground. Of course, right now it's just way too muddy and it's too cool, but I do think mid to part of late April, when those 80s get in here, the ground's going to dry out really quickly and everybody's going to be planting corn and soybeans at that point, and we'll get some garden plants in as well. It's a 47 tomorrow though, after 34 in the morning. Again, a couple spotty rain and snow showers and then sun building those clouds up, and we'll have a few scattered rain and graupel showers in the afternoon. 43 to 49, going to do it for highs for the viewing area. On Saturday, a lot of sun, the frost, the freezing in the morning. Then it's 50s in the afternoon with winds out of the northeast, low to mid 50s for highs. It won't feel too bad in the sun, but a little cool, a little below normal for this time of April. 52 Logansport. Mid-50s Attica over towards Pine Village, and 54 at Fowler. So there are a couple of little rain and snow showers come overnight tomorrow morning. This is 9:30 in the morning tomorrow. And then it's just rain and some graupel showers. Small, soft hail mixed in some of these showers. Too warm for any snowflakes this go around. And then we see the clearing trend tomorrow night. There's 8. Notice what happens, the winds diminish, we get the frost, we get the freeze, and then you get all that sunshine Saturday, but Sunday, the clouds increase pretty rapidly, and we're looking at 2 waves of showers coming in. Sunday, really late morning, midday, and then right into the afternoon, and a few showers around even Sunday night. But the good news about Monday, as the eclipse occurs, we've got some drier air coming in. I'll show you here in a second, but the path of totality will make it into half of Kokomo, about half of Frankfort, and about half of Crawfordsville, and point southeastward. But even as you go northwest where that is, about 99% at Lafayette, Attica, Flora, over towards Peru, to down to about 96% towards Morocco, DeMont, and up north of Winnemac. But the good news about all this is that we got the dry air punching in from the high plains and the Ozark Plateau. This is where this low pressure is pulling the dry air in from the desert southwest and the high plains, and it's also downsloping it from the Ozark Plateau. So it's warming and it's drying, and it could very well break these clouds up enough to really lower the cloud cover. Probably some scattered cumulus clouds, and these are some altocumulus or mid-level clouds coming in out of Illinois. Still should be good enough to view that eclipse. So the news continues to improve with the eclipse. So all that said, normal high is 56. It's a 71 on Monday. A couple thunder showers late Monday evening, Monday night, but then it's just a few showers off and on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, highs in the 60s. We're still into the 60s at the end of next week. Make it a little more widespread rainfall by that next Sunday. And then again, once we get into that mid-April period and right through about April 20th or so, I think we're going to find some low 80s make it into the area.